If you want to get the best results possible with this challenge, you must plan time in the week for cooking. I usually cook weekday meals on Sunday. Now, if cooking 5 days worth of meals seems like too much, it's cool, just break it down. Use 2 days for cooking. For example, cook on Sunday and Wednesday.
Yeah. So you also need to decide which meals you are actually going to prep for. I have to worry more about lunch since I'm usually out the house during those times. Now, I can handle breakfast and dinner when I get home, or I'll put it on my wife to cook. But that's me. Do what works best for you and your schedule.
One of the most important things you can do is dip your toe. Let me explain. When you are about to get into a cold pool, you don't just jump head first, right? You dip your toe in, ease into the pool. You should do the same thing with meal prep.
So, choose one meal, let's say lunch, to prep ahead of time. Then maybe the next week, add on another meal. This is a good strategy to ease into this whole meal prep thing. Before you know it, you'll be a keto meal prep pro.